You know better.
They say
come this far. Don't let anybody come and take you back.
So they see, they watch everything. Now Queen begin the rig say she know what she can do. She should get the fuck out.
No, see,
blah blah blah. Say she don't be the Maria and get the fuck out and all that. They come they explain
that.
Feel that. Yeah, just feel that.
Feel that. Just feel
calm Mazida. Maz is already getting calm. Yeah, let's calm him down.
Don't.
Queen blasts Maria for not condemning Pere over bullying Whitemoney. There was a major drama in the Big Brother Naija Season 6 Shine Your Eye house, which was initially between Pere and Whitemoney. This led to another major altercation between Queen and Maria. Pere and Whitemoney were having an argument in the house. The two of them were separated and were moved to different locations in the house. Maria, who is the current head of house, was trying to pacify Whitemoney, who was seated in the garden with other housemates when Queen screamed at her. Queen claimed that as the head of house, she is supporting Pere, who is her friend. Queen asserted that Maria can do more to stop Pere from harming Whitemoney. She said Maria should go and report to Big Brother so that Pere can be issued a strike or disqualified. The altercation later lasted for a while before Maria walked back into the house.